Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the St. Patrick's Day special episode for my channel. So if you're anything like me right now, you're stuck at home, trying to balance the holidays with the fact that you can't really go out, right? We're gonna have to balance the fact that we are in quarantine with the fact that we want some delicious St. Patrick's Day treats. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find some ingredients that I have in my house and make a protein Irish potato shake. All right, so get out your blender, get out your green shirt. Let's do this. All right, so you're gonna wanna start with a vanilla protein powder. The one I have here is like the Giant brand. I would recommend you get something else, but we're gonna use this. It's 1 scoop, which is also measured out as 39 grams. Food Scale's not on, I just know it. All right, next we're gonna go with some cream cheese. 1 serving. I go with the light cream cheese. I'm gonna put too much in, so I'm actually gonna take it out. All right, now we're gonna use some, Greek yogurt right there. We're gonna go with 85 grams, which is about half a serving. Now guys, you gotta make sure that you turn your smoothie and change the lighting. That really makes the shake taste better. Shout out to Fairlife Milk. Less calories, more protein. Sponsored. All right, we're gonna do about a half teaspoon of coconut extract. Oh. You're gonna get out your blender or your shaker bottle, whatever you like to do. Some cinnamon to taste. And there you have it, your Irish potato protein shake. Pretty good. Kind of tastes like an Irish potato. All right, I know what you're thinking. I'm not really an Irish potato kind of guy. If I was gonna go with a dessert on St. Paddy's Day, I'd go more like a shamrock shake. Well, then you're in luck. Just stay tuned. I will be making a shamrock shake video next St. Paddy's Day.